everything is about learning and experimenting and sharing to get new and better solutions. And in order to learn, you must move out of the circles you are in. If you want to be better in doing arguments for using the open source platform, you must know a little more about the content. You must know more about what has it brought of good things to companies, and also where are the challenges. Because if you can talk about challenges, then you get more supporters. If you are only an evangelist talking about all the good stuff, people are a little afraid. So coming to an event like this, where we also discuss the difficult things, is a good way to opening up the community and spreading the news.